It's the summer of 1985. An American family is getting ready for their summer vacation. Dad is loading suitcases into the big wooden station wagon. Mom is packing a cooler full of snacks and cold drinks. The kids are excited, running around with beach towels and toys. The family finally starts their road trip on a bright sunny morning. Kids are sitting in the back seat looking out the window of passing fields. They play a car games and sing songs together during the long drive. The family stops at a classic roadside dinner for lunch. They eat burgers, fries, and milkshakes sitting in the road booth. After a few hours drive, they finally reach the beautiful beach town. The kids run towards the ocean with excitement as soon as they see it. The family sets up their colorful beach umbrella and chairs. The kids immediately start building a big sand castles together. Parents relax under the umbrella while watching their kids play. The children jump into the waves and play in the seawater. They select beautiful seashells along the shoreline. Everyone enjoys fresh coconut water and ice cream on the beach. In the afternoon, the family plays beach volleyball together. The kids bury their dad in the sand and laugh loudly. As the sun sets, the sky turns orange and pink over the ocean. The family takes a long walk on the beach during sunset. They sit together on the sand and watch the beautiful sunset. Evenings are spent eating seafood at a beachside restaurant. In the evening, the family plays frisbee on the soft sand as the sun goes down. Kids chase each other with water guns and laugh loudly. The family enjoys beach bonfire with music playing from a portable castle's player. They roast hot dogs and marshmallows over the fire. Parents tell old childhood stories to their kids by the fire. The next morning, the family wakes up early to watch the sunrise on the beach. Kids select more seashells and colorful stones are souvenirs. The family rents bicycle and rides along the beach boardwalk. They stop at a small shop to buy colorful postcards and souvenirs. Everyone enjoys fresh lemonade and snow cones for the beach vendor. Kids build a big sandcastles with towers and a moat around it. Parents take photos using their film camera with the ocean behind. In the afternoon, the family relax under umbrellas reading books and magazines. The kids play with the beach ball in the shallow water. Teenagers nearby are playing loud music on bomb boxes. The family applies lots of sunscreen before going back into the sun. As evening comes, they fly colorful kites on the beach. The kids get temporary tattoos and colorful wristbands from a beach stall. On the last day of vacation, the family starts packing their bags at a motel. The kids look sad while folding their beach towels and selecting their souvenirs. Dad loads all the bags back into the station wagon for the journey home. The family takes one last photo together on the beach before leaving. They wave goodbye to beach and start their long drive back home.